So that is us at the NEC.
We are.
And as everybody would have gathered, it is freezing.
It is cold today. It is. So we're just having a crafty walk down to the main exhibition centre.
We are.
To see what's going on. We're a day early.
We're 2 days early, really, because we arrived yesterday. But we wanted to make sure we got parked up, and the campsite was fully booked, so we've managed to sneak ourselves into a wee car park. So now we have to go meet somebody special, don't we?
Yes, we do. But we can't say who it is.
There's a lot of security here, and a lot of motorhomes, which I shouldn't be surprised of, really, seeing as it's a motorhome show. So that is us here. We are at the NEC in Birmingham for the Motorhome Show. So we have arrived 2 days early because today's the Monday, and we've managed to sneak out. Well, we haven't snuck our way. We've managed to push our luck and get in on the Monday before anybody else, which means, of course, we can get some recording done beforehand. We aren't going to be getting in people's way, and I feel like I'm going to fall off a curb. After a wee 10-minute walk, we are here. So that's us inside. We've got our passes. We're trying to be really careful today because everybody's still setting up. I've just eaten Starbucks. It's a time to be typical and go and get a pumpkin spice latte. Is it? Had to be done. Pumpkin spice latte. Andrew's not impressed at all. It's really, really nice. Do you want to try it? Come on, first impressions of Andrew trying the...
Oh, that's sweet. How much sugar have you put in there?
One. There is a lot of vans here. We have just seen the Scout, and I'm kind of like, oh, we need to win the lottery, or a very nice person just to buy us a Scout. Do you know what I'm going to have to do? I'm just going to have to sell pictures of my feet. Apparently they sell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'll just sell loads of photos. I'm always interested in buying size 13 feet pictures. I'll sell my feet. So this is one of the new XL ranges. So this is the 690T. This one has quite an interesting layout, and I'm quite impressed by the beds at the back. One thing I really am impressed by the XL range is these amazing huge windows. I'm quite fancying one of these in our van, Andrew. Do you think we can knock out the huge space to fit one of these bad boys in? It also has a night screen on it, and I'm guessing a fly screen as well. There's a lot of big windows in this van. Ready for the next one?
Do that again.
This is the van I have my heart set on. We are going to do a proper look inside. Just having a quick walk around first. But yes, the Scout is the one I want. Mine.
Don't touch anything.
They aren't actually open yet. They don't open till 10 o'clock. So they've got cleaners going around polishing everything, and I've been warned not to believe handprints everywhere. But we all know me, I'm going to have my handprints on everything. like this one. There's tons of room in here. Look at the back bed. So it's another one of the C-Class, C-Range. Isn't that nice? And I'm guessing underneath there they're going to have a huge storage cabinet again. Okay, I could live in one of these ones. Support. So yeah, through the whole week this week at the event, the autotrail Owners Club will be here. So pop along, have a conversation with them and they can give you all the info about joining our amazing club. Good morning!
Good morning.
Which is cold.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
You alright?
Morning.
How are you? Alright.
Cold, isn't it?
The Motorhome and Caravan Show 2023. The show is now open. We hope you have a wonderful day. The show is now open.
I thought to touch it and then they said there's a thing said do not touch.
It was.
Blimey, look who we've bumped into.
Hello.
He surprised his family with a camper van during lockdown. He's going to talk to us all about his experiences and adventures. Can we please have a massive round of applause to welcome Joe to the stage?
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Which chair do you want? I've so many to choose from.
Thank you.
Cushion then.
A lovely cushion. Thank you very much.
Well, can we start, I guess, with your lockdown experiences? What made you get that van in the first place? What was the breaking point?
So as a kid, my family, we always used to go camping. So my granddad had an old split screen Volkswagen, and then my uncle, because of my granddad, he got an old Volkswagen split screen. So it always ran in the family. And with my dad and my mum, we used to have one of those trailers that you pop up from the sides. I don't know what they're actually called. Trailer tent. We used to take the trailer tent, put it on the back of the car, and drive it to the south of France. And we'd spend like 4 weeks in the south of France in the trailer tent with me, my mum, my dad, my 2 sisters. So it's always sort of been in me. Yeah. And then when I had my own children, I just knew how much fun I had camping and the feeling of being free. And I wanted that for my own children. So yeah, I surprised Stacey with a camper van.
Did it go down well?
Well, Stacey's not got the same. She hasn't had the same upbringing as me when it comes to camping. So for me, it's really special, and I love it, and I'm going to do it with my kids. But for Stacey, it's something completely new. So yeah, she's slowly getting used to the idea.
I think we best get a doggy treat for them. What do you fancy? They like the crocodiles, I know they do. So I'll get 2 of the crocodiles. What do you fancy first?
Something big for soda.
Like what?
Something that's going to last her more than 2 seconds.
None of them, because she'll just chew through them all. And they're too hard for our teeth. Can I get 1 each of the bones, please?
You do that butter on the...
Yes, please.
And that was pumpkin and carrots.
And can I get 2 each of the crocodiles?
Thanks, lovely. Thank you
Have a
very
lovely
much.
weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye.
It's a 6-bear. So we're with Chris from the autotrail Owners Club. Have you had a good week so far?
Yes, not bad at all. It's been very busy here in the NEC. Lots of people looking at vans and persuading them, once they've looked at a van, to become a member of our club.
So just remind me again, how much is it for the year?
Well, at the moment it's £16 for the year, but in January it'll probably go up to 20 because of admin costs. But it's an
Reminds
awful...
me, we've got to pay ours. And what would you say was the main benefit of joining the autotrail club?
The main benefit is rallies. The whole point is that we actually run rallies for all our members at discounted prices and with friends and meeting other people, but rallies is the main aim. That's what it's all about.
So this year I know there's quite a few new rallies going ahead, and one of them might just happen to be me and Andrew's rally. So you're excited for it?
Absolutely. As I said, it's going to be quite different. I mean, running a weekend rally alongside an attraction with lots of things to go to and get involved with would be great, because I understand your VanLife rally. There's going to be music, there's going to be food stalls, there's going to be activities. It's all to do with motorhomes. They're the only ones allowed to attend, aren't they? Lots of family activities. And for you, as new members, to be able to set up and run a weekend rally like that would be absolutely tremendous, and we hope to do more of it.
Yeah, so we're going to run our first rally next year. It's near Malton. It's the VanLife Fest at the Hall, which we attended last year, and it was so much fun. I mean, I'm a big Queen fan, so seeing a Queen tribute was really good for me. But for club members, we've done a bit of a deal, haven't we?
Yes, we have. Great.
So if you're a club member, you actually get a discount this year. There's a discount code that only the owners know, the owners club know, which will get you, I think it's 10% off. 10% off for the weekend, and we've got our own section at the event, so it'll be autotrail club in our own little section with a discount code.
And free of charge, they're giving us electricity.
I didn't know that. So there's a newbie as well. So we get electric included in the price, which I think is great. Entertainment, singers, dancers, all sorts going off all over the weekend, particularly for the family. So join us for that one.
Thank you for that, and for taking the time to speak to us today. I know you're extremely busy here.
It's been fun here.
It has.
Yes. And so you want to renew your membership for next year, seeing as you're going to be rally stewards. So it's all on the database. You're all sorted.
You just need my wallet, don't you? She just wants my money.
Well, I'd like your £16 which would be good because if you pay now, you pay before the price goes up to £20 in January.
So really, I'm telling people to hurry up and quickly sign up now. Don't wait.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So we've looked at the motorhomes. We're going to have a look at the campervans. Well, that's it. We've done our first NEC.
Yeah, we've come to the end of our trip. It's been an amazing trip as well, I have to say.
It has.
So many things to see, unbelievable. We've been here a few days, and we could have been here for weeks, to be honest.
It was quite impressive. There was a lot of stalls, a lot of people. We spent far too many pennies.
Yeah, we did.
I didn't spend 100 grand on the new van.
No, we didn't buy any new vans, but we bought some bits of cleaning stuff and other things off the stalls.
Dog treats.
And dog treats as well. Yeah, so yeah, it's been a good week. We've learnt a lot. We've seen a lot. Met lots of people.
We've met loads of people, and thank you to everybody that said hello to us, and that was so nice. Yeah. And there was other YouTubers there and other influencers, and it was really, really nice experience.
Yep, absolutely. Can't wait to get back in February.
We do need to thank a few people though, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We need to thank Autotrail for allowing us access.
We also need to thank Autotrail Owners Club for getting us passes and just being amazing like they always are.
Yeah, and everybody that was there.
And and thank you to you.
Yeah.
And a very big special thank you to Hannah. She knows who she is.
Yeah, we've done a few reviews, so have a look at those if you haven't already. We've got one or two things coming up, so stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and then you'll get to know what we're up to over the next month or so, because we're doing a firework less bonfire night, which is pet friendly, down in Leicester. We're also doing, what else are we doing? Christmas markets all over the place. And then
we have some exciting stuff to come, hopefully.
Yeah, absolutely.
It is all weather dependent, seeing as we nearly got flooded out.
Yeah, we'll still do it whether it's raining or not, because it's just us. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. You'll find out first what's happening in our lives.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye.